In last video we have been discussed about how to create one Google account. Okay, now we will be going to discuss about which are the products we are going to learn in a Google. If you log into your Google account, or if you log into your Gmail, on the right hand side you can able to see here on the right hand side the three buttons are there. One is a setting, second one is a Google apps, third one is your about your account. Okay, if you click here Google apps, okay, you will find the many Google apps here. Okay, if you scroll down, just scroll down and go to the more from Google. Click on that more from Google, just to show what are the things we are going to learn in a Google. Okay, if you go there you will find the what are the things available in a Google itself, which can help you to manage your business. Okay, Google search, translate and Chrome are the basic thing each and everyone has it is. Okay, maps all are using in general to search the content. Okay, translate from language to language. Chrome is for as a one browser, and maps to they get a direction and all. Apart from that, we have a YouTube also. Okay, and Play stores we have. Okay, this is also a Google product we'll discuss. And these are the hardware side, mobile, laptop and all. And these are the comes under the apps which are available for OS. These are the apps for different gadgets. Then it comes to which are the things you are generally using. Gmail, I think everyone use to communicate with your clients. Google do for a meeting with your teammate or like that. Messages also we can use. Okay, like WhatsApp message only, but WhatsApp is a popular than the Google messages, so WhatsApp can be used as a one. And Google chat, again, like a WhatsApp only it is also. Apart from that, what we are going to learn important for a business, especially for a business and individual also, it will helpful. That is nothing but a Google Docs, slides, drive. Okay, sheets, Google Sheets also we are going to learn. Then for your business to give an advertisement and all, the Google Ads, AdSense, Google Analytics we will learn. Google My Business for to list your business on a Google Maps and all. And other products we are going to learn in a Google is a Google Forms. This one Google Forms. Okay, and second one is a Google Alerts. Okay, and Google Docs already said. Then we are going to learn about Google. Many are there, but Google Sheets. Okay, then Google Sites, and there is a Google Domains is there. It will be a separate one. Okay, we'll discuss about that. Google Domains. Okay, then it comes to a Google My Business here for especially for a business. Okay, Google My Trends. Okay, for digital marketing. Okay, Data Studio will be learned to represent the data to build a dashboard. And Google Analytics for the analyze your data. Blogger to write a contents. Okay, then here few of them are very important. Google surveys to do a survey. Optimizer to make your site better. We can do A/B testing by using this one. Digital marketing concept, this comes under the digital marketing. Okay, these tools we are going to learn in detail. One by one we will cover up all the tools. Around 16 tools in a Google we are going to cover up, which will be most used and help one to run a business very smoothly. Okay, so we will discuss one by one in a coming videos, just to show where these available. I have been taken this video, and we'll discuss one by one in coming videos.